We have rice and peas, we have ham, we have jerk chicken, we have the jerk sauce. This sauce needs to go here. I'm setting the table wrong. And this one goes here.
Thank you,
so that is for that. And we have 3.
302.
302.
3 win.
Alright, bum.
Yes,
Bum.
win.
Bum.
Win.
No.
Win, yes, win. Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It is the eve of Christmas Eve. Is that so? Yeah, it's the eve of Christmas Eve, and today I am doing my Jamaican Christmas dinner. Yes, it's just me, babe, and I invited Jen. So it's just me, babe, Tyler, and Jen going to be at my dinner, and I promise one person that I'm going to give them a plate of whatever I cook. So after I cook, I'm going to go and drop that off to my friend that I promised that I'm going to let them taste the food. So it is really kind of reminded me so much of home. It feels so much like Christmas today. It reminds me of Christmas morning back home in Jamaica. As you can hear, the pressure cooker is going with peas, the ham is in the oven. What else is going on? The jerk chicken is here, seasoned from days ago, ready to go in the oven. The saltfish is in water from last night for the Ackee and saltfish. So I have a bunch of things that make me feel like home, though I'm a bit disappointed because I ordered dry sorrel online that was supposed to come yesterday, and I'm super disappointed because it wasn't delivered. Trying to contact the carrier and they're giving me a bunch of excuses, so I'm really not going to get my sorrel. That's the only thing that is missing that would have made my Jamaica dinner vision complete. Apart from I can't get curry goat and oxtail and stuff like that, but I have enough things that make me feel really like I'm in Jamaica on Christmas morning. So I'm going to go ahead right now and make some breakfast for the fam bam, and then proceed into my cooking because I want to finish cook early. That way we can chill and chat and eat and stuff like that. So yeah, of course I'm gonna take you guys along, and the boys are somewhere around here chilling. Tyler wake up and had his porridge this morning,
And I didn't eat yet.
You did. Why you didn't eat?
Because I'm waiting on you.
Tyler, say hi, fam.
Hi guys.
The boys are here watching Tyler's favorite, of course. The wheels on the bus go round and round. We know that song by heart because of this boy.
You know that when you bring the name of book, you always say burst.
Yeah, because it's the bus tune.
Yeah.
Look at him, he's so grown. Anyway, you guys, I'll be in the kitchen for half of the day today because I don't know what I'm going to do with all this food. I tell Jen that I tell Jen to bring extra containers so she can carry home some of the food, and of course we'll have some leftovers. But yeah, I'm just going to cook and eat and be merry and enjoy the day. So of course, enjoy today's Jamaica Christmas vlog, you guys, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. You guys, so I'm making breakfast right now, and breakfast this morning is going to be banana fritters and eggs. Breakfast is ready, you guys. You guys, my kitchen is just doing the most right now. I have my saltfish cooking, which I'm going to make my ackee and saltfish in a bit, and the rice and peas liquid is ready, and I'm gonna pour this rice in it. Bam, rice is in. These jerk chickens in the pan because oh, they smell so good. These bad boys going to go in the oven in just a minute. So that's jerk chicken ready for the oven right now. This rice number 2. I've decided to cook 2 different rice. So this one is the gungu and rice, and this one over here is the rice and peas. So gungu and rice is going down. So you guys, I didn't show you when I took the ham out and put the first coat of pineapple sauce that I made. I made this pineapple sauce, but I put the first coat without putting a little extra color in it. So that's the first coat of caramel that is on the ham. So I'm gonna put a second coat on the pineapples and stuff and finish it up right now. Right now my ham sauce is finished, my rice and peas is finished, looking so good. My gungu and rice is finished there, and my ham is donezo. So now I'm going to move on to my ackee and saltfish. Okay guys, chicken is out the oven. The final stage, I'm gonna put on this jerk sauce that I made and put it back into the oven for it to catch my jerk color for about 5-10 minutes. I forgot to show you that I'm making also festivals. So that's the festival's frying over here, and that's my festival dough. This is my last and final step right now. Hey guys! Ooh, I'm dizzy. You guys, as you can see, I'm all glammed. Finished cooking. Should I say dinner? It's not dinner. Whatever time of the day we're going to eat. But I finished cooking. Brunch, lunch,
and tomorrow lunch.
Lunch, dinner, tomorrow lunch. Finished cooking, and I took a big platter. I took a big platter to my colleagues that I promised that I would take them some of the food, and they were so excited when I got there. So they'll tell me how it goes, but we're actually here waiting on Jen to come. She'll be here in just a bit. Tyler is taking a nap, and baby's here chilling
And watching the game. Yeah, is Masha doing that? Nah.
No, it's mine.
Really?
Yes, my star is glittering from the sun.
Yeah.
Look. Hey, I don't know if you guys can see. Yes, it's my shirt that's doing those stars in the ceiling. So cool.
It's cool.
Yeah, but I won't sit here just for you to look at that. Anyway, you guys, we're here in our Christmas sweater. I love this one. It's so cute. And baby in his reindeer. I love it. So cute. So we're just here, smelling and thinking about the food until Jen gets here.
I was sleeping 5 minutes ago and I just remember it was a big game on TV, so I just get up to
Really,
the 2 last minutes.
Really, babe?
That's the game. That's people who like
Barcelona and Real Madrid.
yeah, people.
That's huge.
People who love
I don't know anything about
soccer or football, how we call it here. That's the game to watch. But
I don't know anything about football, but I know those two teams, and once those two teams playing, it have to be a big game. Anyway, you guys, I'll show you guys everything that I cook as soon as I
well, if you can come here, just come and rush. It looks yummy.
as soon as I put everything on the table, I'll show you guys everything that I prepare. So or Jamaica.
Excited?
Yes.
Excited?
The only thing that's missing to complete it is the sorrel juice, and I'm so sad.
You know, I tried to check it today, and then it was a little things on the bottom. It was written ask for like a changement of plan, like you want it to be delivered somewhere else, something like this. But when I go on it, it only show me the option of choose there. Just say peace.
I'm so pissed. So pissed. It's not even funny. But I won't let it ruin my day. I'll have some Coca-Cola in the space of it.
Coca-Cola.
Today
and
I am
wine and
wine.
apple juice and warm and
Yes.
any type of thing.
Yes.
And
Yes. I'm going to eat everything that I cook today, even if it's a pinch of everything, and then I just stretch out later, just like what we would do in Jamaica. When we finish eating, we just sleep
and play dominoes.
and play dominoes. Anyway, you guys, the Jamaica Christmas dinner is real today. It's on. You guys, Jen is here.
Merry Christmas!
And the food is on the table, and we are ready to grub. Let me show you guys what we have. We have rice and peas. We have ham. We have jerk chicken. We have the jerk sauce. This sauce needs to go here. I'm setting the table wrong. And this one goes here.
Thank you,
So that is for that. And we have gungun rice.
Festival.
We have potato salad, festival, and ackee and saltfish, and the good old wine.
How many people are coming today? So I want to know how many people.
Babe asked the same thing.
It's for dinner. It's for tomorrow.
You'd never imagine that this is for 3 people.
I'm coming to my dinner. So Tyler, you like it? Yes, boy, you like this sauce. Come, taste a little chicken with this sauce.
Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
Yes, darling. Merry Christmas, season's greetings, and many more.
Yes.
Come, baby.
He's more gentle. Tyler, Auntie Jen bring you cadeau.
Christmas.
You hear what I'm just saying? You heard what he said? He said, oh, okay, merci.
Is that what you said?
Tyler,
Yes, baby.
he said, okay, merci.
Merry Christmas.
What, Tyler? You got gift, Ty?
Look at that.
Tyler, what is it? What is it, baby? Give it to Papa. Let Papa open it for you. Say, please, Papa.
Chain. Wow.
And tracks.
Attends, papa il va l'ouvrir.
Go give Auntie Jen bisous. Bisous à Tata. Ouais.
Turns into a robot.
Okay.
Tyler, Papa.
Tyler, look. There's another one. Auntie Jen have another one for you.
Looking at that. One more.
Wow. What do you say?
Qu'est-ce qu'on dit?
You're welcome. Open it, man.
Oh, you open it, baby. You. Oh, they're attached. Okay.
If they stay attached.
If Tyler made them stay attached.
Ouais.
He's excited. Tyler, look.
Attends, attention, hein.
Oh, choo-choo.
I love seeing the two of them like. Oh.
Too small, too small.
Attention, Tyler.
Choo-choo.
Jen, this is so cute. Thank you. So guys, real Jamaican way. After Christmas dinner, we eat. We play domino and pussy. Yeah.
You can't be sabotage in the domino game.
I Give him one.
I gave him one. And he come back for more. He's got two now.
And one is missing somewhere.
It's okay, don't worry, get upset. You're not
Should be
gonna
blank, cause you're not going.
win. No, you can't.
Come Jen, play baby.
No,
Oh, I
You
need to
play.
play.
3 or 5.
3 or 5.
I could have played earlier, you know. I never noticed I could have played.
Oh no!
He said, oh no. Ah, what you
2,
have?
3.
3 or 2.
3 or 2.
Play baby win.
Alright. Bum.
Yes.
Bum.
Win.
Bum.
Win.
No.
Win here. Win. Win.
2 and black.
Pass.
3 and
You're back.
3 and blank.
You pick up one. You pick up one.
Wait a minute.
2 and black.
2 and black?
Yeah.
2 and black. Lovely. 2. 1 and black.
With 5 or blank.
Oh.
Pass.
Black, you finish.
Oh my gosh, today was the best day ever. You want to nap? Go and nap, baby. Nap. You want the cover? Take it. Go for the cover. He says he wants to nap. See the cover here? Your mama to pull out the bed for you. Ask Papa pull out the bed for you. You guys, today was the best day ever. We had such a good time with Jen. It was really feeling like I'm in Jamaica. It really felt like a Jamaica Christmas. It was just pure perfection. The dominoes, the food, everything was just right. It reminded me so much of home, and it was just perfect.
It was very good.
Yeah, it was good. Anyway, you guys, Jen is now gone home. We just dropped her. Tyler is asking for a nap and we're tired, so we're just gonna go ahead and enter this vlog, and hopefully you guys really enjoy it. And the Jamaican expression for today is going to be Christmas. If you hear Jamaica say Christmas, they simply mean Christmas. We don't say Christmas in Jamaica, we say Christmas. Christmas. Okay, so that's the Jamaican expression. Say it.
Christmas.
Yes, Christmas means Christmas.
Okay.
It's just how Jamaicans speak or patois. Alright, so there you have the Jamaican expression. What's the French expression for today, Ben?
The French expression for today would be reine. Reine simply mean the deer, what the
Oh, the reindeer on your shirt?
yeah, like what is it?
Okay.
That's called reine.
Okay.
Reine also mean queen, so it's 2 words,
Okay.
2 meaning.
Okay.
This meaning is Christmas time, so
Okay.
this animal is a reine.
Okay, Ren.
Right.
Okay, you guys. So there you have the Jamaican expression and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you guys, so we hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and comment down below and let us know what you guys did for your Christmas. It was really a Jamaica Christmas in this house, seeing that we are traveling tomorrow and all that good stuff. So we'll catch you guys later.
Tomorrow.
Bye, guys. Tyler, say bye.